it's KoreaKoala here. In this video, we are going to learn about Korean subject markers and object markers. Unlike English, in Korean, there are these things called subject markers and object markers. Markers are endings added to a noun or a pronoun that tell you if they are objects or subjects. No matter where they are placed in a sentence, if you see a subject marker, that means it is a subject. And the same goes for the object markers. Because in English, there are no subject or object markers, the positions of the words become very important. What I mean is, you love me and I love you mean totally different things. Plus, in English, if you want to use a certain pronoun in a different position, then you literally have to change the shape of it altogether, except for you and it. To help you better understand this, let's take a look at the pronoun I in I love him. In this sentence, I is used as a subject. But if I wanted to use it in a place where an object is needed, then I'd have to change it to me, so everyone would know that it is playing the role of an object. The same role applies to him, only in a reverse way. I spent my whole 7th grade memorizing all these different forms of pronouns in English. Phew! Tell you what, in Korean, you don't ever have to worry about changing the forms of anything. Well, at least when it comes to markers, that is. Instead, you just have to use subject and object markers. Okay, now, are you ready to go deeper into the world of Korean subject and object markers? Yes? Yay! In Korean, there are 4 kinds of subject markers and 2 kinds of object markers. The subject markers are 은, 는, and 이, 가. The object markers are 을 and 를. If you pay a little attention, you'll see that some start with a vowel sound and the others with a consonant sound. Consonants and vowels are like boys and girls, and they really like each other and want to be together. So, if the preceding word ends in a consonant, which subject marker do you think would come after that? 이 or 가? That's right, 이. Because 이 is a vowel sound. It would come after the preceding consonant sound. Then, for object markers, what comes after a consonant? 을 or 를? That's right, 을. The preceding sound was a consonant and 을 starts with a vowel sound. So, shall we practice with some actual words? Let's have a look at some subject markers first. Remember, the subject markers are 은, 는, or 이, 가. Okay, the first word is 차. I'll give you a hint. It ends in a vowel sound, a. So the following markers should be a consonant, which would be either 가 or 는. 오이. There's no final consonant, and it ends in a different vowel this time, 이. So the following markers should be the same as the previous ones, 가 or 는. Now, 책. Do you see how it consists of 3 letters, a consonant, a vowel, and then another consonant at the bottom? So, naturally, the following sound would be a vowel sound, 이 or 은. 김치. It ends in a vowel sound, so 가 or 는. 한글. It ends in a consonant, so 이 or 은. Now, let's apply this to object markers, 을 or 를. To make it easy, let's go with the same words as before. 차 ends in a vowel, so 를. 오이, another vowel sound, so 를. 책 ends in a consonant sound, so 을. 김치 in a vowel sound, so 을. 한글 ends in a consonant sound, so 을. Maybe it's not super easy yet, but it's getting easier, right? The more you practice, the easier it'll come to you. If you become more comfortable with using these markers, you will find Korean much more flexible with the word orders. 나는 한국어를 좋아해, which means I like Korean. 한국어를 좋아해 나는, which means I like Korean as well. 나는 좋아해 한국어를. Can you guess what it means? You guessed it right. It means the same thing again. Wow, amazing, isn't it? Isn't it? I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any upcoming fun videos. Bye for now.